this fresh air. And there's nothing that beats it. No amount of candles or Febreze. But cigarettes do. You want to smoke? No, I usually don't smoke. Just on special occasions, like socializing. Well, that's okay. You don't have to be peer pressured into smoking. I will just take one myself. You know what? You do have a good point. Maybe I am addicted to these cigarettes. It's just, they calm me down so much. Ah, yes. You see, I was separated from my friends earlier. We were at this nightclub. I think it's called like the Golden Flamingo or something. And it was too loud inside for me, so I came out, and the bodyguards wouldn't let me in. So now I'm stuck wandering around, and all I can do is smoke. Oh, you came here with friends too? What a coincidence. Maybe we can go find them for each other. Yeah, well, what's the point of being alone on such a lovely night? Okay. My friends. And when they get drunk, if they're drunk about now, they are going to be tripping over one each other all the time. Yep. So you gotta just look for people who can barely walk. And they're not supposed to. They're supposed to walk normally, and they're falling left and right. Yeah, why not? Let's see. Alright, so we got a lighter, some gum. Here, let me check the other pocket. Some cigarettes, of course. Oh yes, the special circle and square. You were not supposed to see that. Well, they were just, yeah, they're supposed to be in my wallet. I honestly don't know where my wallet is. It's usually in this pocket. Well, I don't know, maybe it fell out of the club. Or maybe someone was trying to take it. And there are a lot of grabbing going on in there. Maybe someone grabbed it when they wanted to grab something else. Either way, let bygones be I'm too drunk for this. Let them bygone. Oh, I just got a text from my buddy. Yeah, he says he has a wallet. That's good. Well, because apparently I get very charitable when I drink. And I kind of offer to buy everyone drinks, but that's not always a good thing. I don't want to exactly break my bank, right? Well, anyways, at the end of the day, what I am trying to say is that I'm very responsible with my money, right? I gave it to my friend to keep it safe from my very addictive nature. You see, I didn't want to spend a fortune on drinks today, so I'm just a very good, moral guy. Okay, let me just think out loud for a second. Alright, what if we went back into the club, okay? And we find my friends and get my wallet and go get you a nice little drink. Anything you want. I won't judge. And then afterwards, maybe after some dancing or some little snacks at the bar, we can go to the back of the club and get to know each other more. I have a booth. We can draw the curtains just in case it gets too intimate. Okay? What do you think? Really? Oh, great. Okay. Yeah. Follow me. We're going to go through the side entrance. It's for VIPs only. And any drink you want, just go ahead and order it. I'm sure they carry it in here. Okay, great. Now that you have your order in, come on, follow me up the stairs and to the left. Welcome to my favorite booth in the club. Next door you can hear all my friends partying, right? They don't have to know that I'm here with you. Oh yes, we get to watch everyone dance on the floor below. And if you want some more quiet time, the shades close and we can close the curtains. And it's a lot quieter. Okay, baby, now that we're settled in, did you know that I knew that you were completely staring me down on the streets? I could see it in your eyes that you wanted a piece of this. I haven't been eyed down like that in a very, very long time. So why don't we skip the names and get straight to the point? Don't you worry. Just lay down on the couch and let me do the rest of the talking. Did you know that your lips are so damn soft? I just really love the feel of them. And they're so plump and squishy and soft and squishy and soft. I just really wish I could have found you earlier, and then we could have had more time together. Wouldn't that be nice, darling? Oh, and I really love the curve of your thigh. And your skin is just so soft and very velvety smooth. And just every time I run my hands over it, your eyes seem to give away that you love me. You fell for me, didn't you? You love me this close to you, huh? All pressed up. Well, I love that your skin is so nice to the touch. I haven't had some nice skin-to-skin contact in a while. And you're just so smooth, so perfect. It just makes me want to. Words just can't even describe what I want to do to you. Baby, don't worry about that. You're perfect. So perfect just the way you are. And the way you smile. And the way you make me feel. Just makes me want to catch a grenade for you. If I had to. Obviously, I'm not going to do it just for fun. I do love you that much. That was great, huh? I love it too. And if you want to come back next time, there can be more. Go ahead and like and subscribe. It'll help out with the algorithm. And If you want, you can show the appreciation in the comments. I do read them. I don't respond to every single one, but I promise I do read them. And if you have any suggestions, I'm down for that as well.